Hello friends, now I am at Hauj Khas village, a very historical site. Actually, it comes into the area of Dilli Kunha, which is one of the oldest of the Sultanate era. One of the oldest, not the oldest what I am speaking of, but one of the oldest. The oldest was Dilli Kunha. That is all. But this comes under the Sultanate region, and this was made by Alauddin Khilji. And what you can see is the archaeological department office behind me. And what you can see is the glamour of Sultanate era, which has both mixture of Islamic as well as Indian architecture. The pillars actually are Indian, and the subordinations, the chief architecture was Islamic, because they tried to impose their culture upon us when they won the war. But after that they gradually inculcated the Indian architecture into their architecture, because they didn't had sufficient artisans who can execute their work or plan which they had there in mind. So it is a single dome architecture, which is the earliest dome architecture. The oldest one is Iltutmish tomb, which is in 3 to 4 kilometers out from here. That is Qutub complex. That was there. We have Arai Darwaza too. What I can show you out here is a very grandeur and glamorous one. I will show it to you, and you will see the view, and this will be a panoramic view. You can see the stairs. This is all out of Indian architecture mixed with Islamic. This is completely Indian, because the pillars, this style is completely Indian. These pillars, and those are the elements of Islamic architecture which are blended into Indian architecture. You will see a very good view, in fact, out from here. I will show it to you. You can see the panoramic view, how the Sultanate used to live, and I will show you something else. You see the architecture, the behind one, you see, it's really grand one. I will show you something more, what I can show it to you today. This one is really grand. You can see the upper elements, the walls. They have been deteriorated, but they have been tried to protect for ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. But more so, it is in a failure state actually. But still, the Architecture Department of India is trying a lot to protect these monuments. You will see, it's a lovely one. And what I want to show it to you is this one, if the camera permits me. But it is not permitting. But the images are absent out here, because in Indian architecture, images or the sculptures were allowed, but not in Islamic architecture. That is, humanly form was absent. So there we have what I am walking on the stairs, and you will see it's a lovely place, and you can see the grandeur of this place through this. Now this is a very old stair, you will see, and it's little dangerous. I will show you by climbing onto this, and with me you can see at last that how it looks. You can see this is the stairs, and it's really grand one. It's really grand one, and ultimately grand. And you see inside it is like this, and inside it's chambers. There would have been garrison at one time, tried to stop Mongol invasion. Actually, Mongol invasion was very prompt during the Sultanate era, especially during Alauddin Khilji's rule. After that, it was only Muhammad bin Tughlaq who tried an assault onto the Mongols, but it was an incomplete plan. One of the 5 plans of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, for he was very infamous, not famous, but very infamous for it. And he tried to make an assault on the Mongols in Transabsania, but it was a failure. It was an abandoned plan after that one, what we say in Kashmir, that is Karshil expedition. Okay, so I think we have done a lot one. So I will try to stop the video out here, but there is lot more Sultanate era beauties out here that I would like to discover. After that I will be showing to you, which will be probably next video also, because now I am in a crunch of time. But you can see this is really grand. You see where I am standing is really grand, grander than the grandest. I will show you to you. You see where I am standing now is a base, actually a facade balcony, which has been broken now. So it's really grander than the grandest. So I will stop the video now. See you friends, take care. I would like to stop in a very good moment. See you love. Take care. Bye.